Introduction video, about me. My name is Kenneth Goss. I am a very shy person, this is the reason I am not on camera in my videos, but I still want to get this message out to as many people as I can. I have been to jail one time in my life. Let's just get that out the way. Anyway, in there is where I learned the laws of life, and the law of attraction. I learned how it works and how to use these laws. I will attempt to give back everything I earned and learned on my journey. Here we will teach the power of your thoughts, and the power of belief. I know now that changing just one thought or changing the way you look at things in life, you can improve the quality of your life. It is a guarantee. It is my promise to all my viewers. On a side note, if in this lifetime, I am able to just add one little piece of value, inspiration, or even a smile to your life, then my job is done. Please enjoy the videos, like, subscribe, and share if they are helpful to you, and thanks for stopping by. Now let's ride out, have some fun and learn together.